speaking of, you just mentioned somebody's name.
Chauvin. Derek Chauvin.
You see, it turned out more evidence. So one,
Yep.
they hid evidence concerning what he died of. That there was some of it we knew about, but some of it they hid. That's now coming out in his federal proceeding, his post-trial proceeding. And it turns out that the key expert witness for the police, for the law enforcement officer, committed outright perjury. She got up and said, "Oh no, we were trained not to do that particular knee move." Not only were they in fact trained, she herself routinely utilized it.
I remember seeing that at the time. Like that didn't strike me as being, that element didn't strike me as being
somehow
new.
It didn't come up at the state trial, but it's coming up now at the federal trial.
Because they had a whole, I thought they had a video.
Maybe she denied it, maybe it was, whatever it was, but there's actual photo visual evidence now of her utilizing the exact technique that she lied to the jury about and said was never used. We were trained not to use.
What was her stature, or what is her stature?
She was given a promotion after the trial.
Oh my goodness! No, the chat's gonna correct me if I have a false memory. I thought that evidence.
I thought they proved that about one person, but not as to her.
Because I thought I remember seeing a video, which or a memo that indicated. You may be
right. I mean,
I'll go back and check my memory. But okay, fine. So show that you had his cause of death, which showed no blunt force trauma to the neck. I love it that the people are saying, well, he didn't take enough fentanyl to cause him to die. We saw him consume drugs, and once you do that, but he was a habituated user, so that couldn't have been a contributing factor. What else with that?
That was the main thing. But it looks like the federal court is considering throwing out his verdict. But what else? Remember, we talked about the time we said because the politics is so heavy, they'll lynch him now. And 5 years from now, they'll say, "Oh, that verdict shouldn't have ever happened."
Well, yes, but also your insight at the time was that he's still going to serve so much time for the other issues that it'll be with the consequence.
Which is a long litany. Again, I shed no tears for Derek Chauvin. I just shed no tears for George Floyd either.
Well, yeah, the monuments that they built to George Floyd, it's
unbelievable. Of all, I mean, it's like it's bad parody. It's a bad Babylon Bee.